Did you guys hear that Supra went by? Look at what we got here, guys. Come on now. You know how we roll. Look at this. Look at this. Somebody look at this. We got a 4-puck for the rear. We got a 6-puck for the front. I believe 380 millimeter rotor or 355 in the rear. Big rotor. Running 18 by 9.5 plus 45. Those are Type R specs fitment that I'm running on my 2014 Acura TL. This is my daily driver, but we going to install a big brake kit. As you know, this rusted up shebang up in here. There's some nice forged wheels, excuse me. Give it a nice look, because as you know, I have a big brake kit in all my cars. I'm running a stop tick on the DA. I'm running a custom big brake kit on the Z3M roadster. I'm running an Alkin calipers, custom floating rotor. On the Del Sol, running the 6-piston Woolwood, which is kind of nice. On Monica, I'm running the 6-piston 2.2. That's the only wheel that you can fit that big brake kit. It's the raised ground lights, and in the rear right there. But also my Tacoma, I'm running a Tundra big brake kit. It's a bigger rotor, bigger caliper. And my buddy there, he's got his Acura, nice custom paint job, a bunch of Euro stuff. He's gonna go with the TL Brembo as well. Nice front fitment right there. Okay. Well, I got some more to do, guys. I'll catch you guys in a bit here. If you don't know how to ooh, what's up, girl? What's up? If you don't know how to install a big brake kit, it's very simple. I can give you some steps later, but for now, I got work to do. I know it's kind of late, but not that you care by the time you watch this video, but I got those Ktuned 6-piston, and I believe this are 385 millimeter rotor. In the back here, we have the 355 millimeter with the 4-piston. Nice, it comes with all the brackets and everything. Looking pretty fly. And those are Alkin. This is a different kind of brand. See, this is different kind. That's a 4-puck. And then, you know, this guy's got the, it's got the Alkin 6-puck right there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I gotta say, I'm very pleased with the fitment. You know what I mean? Very pleased with the fitment for sure. I'm getting ready to do a transmission drain and fill, so I figured I'd just do a yeah, not too long ago I bought these guys right here. They discontinued, so I had to buy them and paint them to match the car. But yeah, shout out to Ktuned, Sean especially, appreciate you, brother. This is what we have for now. Installed, good fitment, looks super nice, easy to install. You know what I mean? Can't go wrong with this big brake kit that Ktuned offers. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, buddy. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. Transmission fluid, yeah. See? I got this guy right here. 3 of these. Drop some of those in there. Put the wheels on, drop it down, drop it like it's hot. You know how we roll. Well, it's kind of misty and rainy outside, and I just cleaned the car, so I'm not gonna drive it, but there it is. It's got that nice fitment. Fits right into the spoke, nice and clean. That's the look I was going for. And actually, I think it looks amazing. The fitment is just, I tell you guys, looking good, my boy. Ooh, with that Ktuned up in there, boy. All right. Well, shout out to Ktuned, which we love. Y'all awesome. Appreciate it. Great fitment. I think the powder coating yellow was a great choice, in my opinion. And yeah, can't wait to break those in and hit some twisties, you know what I'm saying? Beast mode. Mucho love. Shout out to Ktuned. Y'all awesome. Now it's time to put all these cars back in and ready for tomorrow. We got the jello on deck. Somebody help this guy.